वेलकम टू ग्रोथ पॉट टॉक शो। आज का हमारा टॉपिक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है, फिटनेस। फिटनेस के इतने सारे फॉर्म्स हैं आजकल, जैसे कि आप हर एक को पूछोगे उनकी कोई डिफरेंट मीनिंग में वो फिटनेस के रुझान को फॉलो करते हैं। कोई बोलेगा आई डू मेडिटेशन, कोई योगा, कोई पिलेटिस, कोई हार्डकोर जिमिंग, स्विमिंग, साइकिलिंग, एवरीथिंग इज़ पार्ट ऑफ फिटनेस रुझान। इसमें एक ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक है, एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर्म है, एरियल योगा। And this is what our topic for today is. Presenting to you Miss Richa Bilani. She is a fitness coach and a digital creator. But aerial yoga की अगर बात करें, she is pro into it. You should see her reels, her fitness classes, sessions. बहुत ही उम्दा तरीके से वो सिखाती है. Presenting to you Richa. Richa,
Hi.
welcome. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, Richa. So there is lot of discussion to do with you. But first of all, फिटनेस आपको कैसे इंटरेस्ट किया फिटनेस में?
So, very honestly, a long time ago, I was actually not interested in fitness at all.
Okay.
Yeah, there was a time when fitness and I went like that. But I've always tried different forms. So I've tried different forms of fitness, but never like something really, it didn't stick. Then after I had my second child, I had just one spare hour in the day, and that's when I started my fitness joining. For me, I started step aerobics at Ruju's Fitness.
Okay.
I just started as a client and something that I wanted to do. I wanted to enjoy me time. And when I started step aerobics, it was more than just physical fitness for me. That 1 hour, it was all the mental exhaustions of a mother, and like so much you're caught up doing so much. So that's how it started, and then I think I found the right coach and the right form of fitness that interested me, and that's when I fell in love with it. And having done that for a year, something about a year, then I asked my trainer that okay, now I want to start as a fitness trainer.
Your professional journey.
Yes, and that's how it started, and that's when then this was I think 3 years ago. I started with all my certifications. So I am trained into Zumba, and mat Pilates and functional training. And then aerial yoga came last, but aerial yoga was something that I started for myself, by myself.
Oh, that's great.
And that's how it got started.
ओके, सो आपकी मोडालिटीज जो आप सिखाते हैं उसमें एरियल योगा, जुम्बा, एरोबिक्स। सो आप जब एरियल योगा की बात करते हैं तो उसमें हाउ इज इट डिफरेंट देन अदर फिटनेस फॉर्म्स?
So firstly, I don't know like if you've noticed, but aerial yoga keh lo, aerial fitness keh lo, aerial arts keh lo, it's really upcoming right now.
Very trendy.
Yes, it's trending. Why? Because so generally in our class what we teach or what we try to do is we try to maintain that newness in every class. So whenever the students or the clients walk in, they always have an element of surprise ke aaj kya naya hoga.
Oh, that's fantastic.
So that is something that they look forward to, that that keeps the element of newness, because to keep people engaged in today's world is very, very difficult. Like people get bored really, really quickly.
Very true.
So that is one thing that is taken care of. Also it's very reward giving, because generally when people approach aerial, they've generally seen it as a video or on Instagram. So the first thought is no, this is not for me.
But I find it very lucrative. मुझे तो लगता है मैं कब करूँगी ये. I keep watching the reels for aerial yoga, but yeah.
So but then of course we have a way where we take them through step by step through the process. But when they are able to do it, it's very reward giving. So that's what pulls them back to the classes, and it's something that they look forward to in a week. Okay, aerial I'm not going to miss. It's like that.
So ये जब आप बोल रहे हो कि न्यूनेस है, एवरी टाइम एक सरप्राइज एलिमेंट होता है, इज दैट स्पेसिफिकली विद रिचा?
So I don't know how other coaches teach.
Okay.
And but so that's what I try to do, because I've also noticed that people look forward to that.
So
they look forward to
Richa special.
Yeah, probably.
So is it for all age people?
So we have a separate batch for children.
Okay.
So children aged between 7 to 12, we have a separate kids batch for them. 12 and above, they can participate in the adults batch. We've had people up until 45-50, but who are already either doing yoga or some form of exercise, who are well maintained.
Correct.
Yes. But having said that, if people are suffering from like BP or like heart problems or knee problems, not really for them.
ओके सो आप हमने जो अभी बात की वो एज वाइज, बट विथ रिगार्ड टू यू नो बिगनर्स, इंटरमीडिएट, एडवांस लेवल पीपल, डू यू कंडक्ट सेपरेट बैचेस फॉर देम as well?
No, so our batches are ongoing throughout the year. So, but we also have new people joining in as and when they find it right. So we have beginners and intermediate and advanced all in the same class. But we design the flow of the class so that we take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced.
Okay.
So even if you're walking into my class for the first time, we will keep that in mind and we will design the flow of that class accordingly so that you as a newcomer are able to catch up.
सो कोई भी दिन मतलब लेट्स से ऑन द 8th day of the month I feel like joining, I can?
Yes, any time is fine. Yes.
Oh, okay. And where do you conduct these classes?
Ruju's Fitness, Sindhu Bhavan Road.
So in Ahmedabad, okay people, so in Ahmedabad, if you know that you want to do aerial yoga, Ruju's Fitness at Sindhu Bhavan Road, this is where Richa teaches you and she is an amazing aerial yoga tutor. Coming back to this, tell us something more about कि आप जिस तरह से भी ये aerial yoga classes करते हैं, what are the benefits of doing that?
So aerial yoga इसको कहा जाता है. So aerial yoga is just one part of the fitness class that we teach. So basically whatever yoga postures you do on the floor, if you replicate those postures on the hammock, it's called aerial yoga. So that could be used for some part of the class, say the warm up part or the stretching part and all that. In addition to that, there are also included a lot other kind of moves that work on your strength building, that work on your they also fulfill cardio for you, they fulfill strength training for you, they also incorporate stretching and flexibility and balance and all of that. So it's really a combination of almost everything that you see outside.
Okay, so आप जब ये बोल रहे थे तो मुझे एक क्वेश्चन एक और आया कि जिसने कभी भी लाइफ में they have not hold this hammock and all,
Got it.
आप उसको कैसे सिखाते हो?
हाँ, so we have regular beginner workshops हमारे होते हैं, like from time to time we arrange beginner level workshops. It'll be either a 1 day or a 2 day workshops. ये specially उन्हीं लोगों के लिए डिज़ाइन किए हुए हैं जिन्होंने कभी like you said hammock को touch नहीं किया. So in those beginner level workshops we take you right from holding the hammock to stretching to getting on it on the first time.
Okay.
And then we get you through that class. And then people who experience that and then gradually then they turn into our regular classes.
Oh, fantastic. So Richa, आप कौन से टाइम पे क्लासेस कंडक्ट करते हैं?
मैं personally I take Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday 9:30 to 10:30 morning.
Okay.
And then there's a weekend batch which is 9:30 to 10:30 morning, Saturday, Sunday both. So we have a weekend batch for people who cannot make it during the weekdays.
I'm pretty sure weekend बैच भी उतनी फुल जाती होगी.
Yeah,
एक बार जैसे फिटनेस में जिसको मजा आ गया वो कभी छोड़ता नहीं.
That's true.
It's like हाँ, but yeah, I have one question in rapid fire for you. इससे से याद आया, but I'll ask. But okay, I have one more question. आपने जब बताया, well, we were talking, you said that you are also personal fitness trainer.
Yes.
Of course, fitness is such a vast field, and everybody would have their own demand of gaining the fitness vision. So how do you design these courses?
So personal fitness is firstly it's a one-on-one experience. Also it depends on what the client wants.
Okay.
जैसे किसी का होता है कि no, I want weight loss first. So then the workout is designed according to that. Some people are already lean and fit, but they want just fitness or like muscle toning or strength training. So then the workout is designed like that. Some people want only cardio, some want no cardio. It depends on what they are looking at to achieve in their fitness journey, and according to that we design the workout.
और फॉर एग्जाम्पल जब ये सामने वाले जो आपके जो पेशेंट्स हो या स्टूडेंट्स हो वो बहुत लेजी टाइप हो, मेरे टाइप जैसे, तो आप उसको कैसे you need to keep them motivated. How do you do that?
So I don't know, but generally people like my vibe. I feel like
I get that. Yes,
so
for sure.
They generally look forward to it, and like I said, जैसे I don't know whether it's me or it's a general thing, but Personal coaching में भी I try to give them variations.
Okay.
So that they don't get bored doing. So I think the trick is when you as an instructor are going to the client should not know कि अरे आज ये कराएगी. Then
Again,
what's
a
the point
surprise
of
element.
hiring the instructor, right? You can do it by yourself. So then thankfully, because I've learned a couple of courses, I try to incorporate yoga and Pilates and functional, sometimes cardio, mobility, a little bit of meditation. So
Okay.
I keep them going like that by changing the workouts every time.
So Richa Balani is full of surprise element, be it aerial yoga or
Yeah.
personal fitness trainer. Okay, so this also brings me to one question कि जब हम बात कर रहे थे आपने बोला आप you are a digital creator.
Yes.
Content creating, of course, it's a king. It's the rich enrichment of the community that you bring to. So what type of content do you create?
Yeah, so my content also goes hand in hand with my passion for fitness. So the content we create is mostly on fitness, health, lifestyle, little things that I think will help people to make a change in their lives, or little things that people can incorporate in their daily routine also, just to like small things that make a huge difference. So I mean, our last reel was quitting sugar challenge.
Okay.
Like you quit all forms of sugar for 2 weeks, and we got amazing response on that.
Okay.
So something that is motivating, something that is got to do, which will bring good health and in general like fitness in your life. Small things that I think I know and I can pass on. Something like that.
So आप जब बोल रहे थे तो एक गुड हेल्थ जो फिटनेस आप जैसे प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो दैट इज फिजिकल फिटनेस, बट इट इज ऑफ कोर्स वाइस वर्सा, इट इज इंटरलिंक्ड कि जब हेल्थ अच्छी होती है यू फील गुड अबाउट योर सेल्फ, इवन योर मेंटल हेल्थ इज ऑल्सो गेट्स अपलिफ्टेड. So you're doing an amazing job, Richa.
Thank you so much.
I'm pretty excited. So yes, viewers do check out their sessions. जो भी वो करवाते हैं, स्पेशली जब रिचा होती है, क्योंकि उनकी वाइब्स सीरियसली बहुत अच्छी है. So Richa, we are not going to leave you so soon. I want to do one rapid fire round with you.
Sure.
कुछ भी क्वेश्चंस कहीं से भी मैं पूछूंगी, मेरे दिमाग में जो आएगा, and you'll have to answer it very quickly. Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. So one thing first, why richa.b.fit? By the way, that's their Insta ID. Why richa.b.fit?
Just for the vibe.
Just for the vibes. Okay. This is going to be the mantra of this podcast session. Okay. One thing that you daily do for your fitness, Richa.
I do daily Surya Namaskar followed by meditation.
And that Surya Namaskar, you do it for aerial yoga as well?
Yes, we incorporate that as a part of warm-up for our classes.
Oh,
Yes.
that's great. Okay, define aerial yoga, therapeutic or addiction?
Both.
Seriously?
Both.
नहीं, but
Absolutely.
जैसे जिंदगी ना में लगी दोबारा में था ना कि इसको एडिक्शन मत कहो, इट्स सो थेरेपेटिक, वैसा नहीं?
Yeah. Meditation kaho. It is
Meditation.
like meditation.
It is like-
Absolutely like meditation.
So, but it's all everything for you.
It's Zen.
Zen. तो आपके जो क्लाइंट्स हैं जो आपके साथ सीखते हैं उसको भी सेम फीलिंग आती है?
Yeah, I told so they've literally they tell me कि no कि aerial, even if they have one class, like no, aerial I will not going to miss. It's like that.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so one advice for fitness freaks.
So one thing I really want to promote is that do not consume anything that is artificial, whether
Okay.
it is a protein powder or whether it is anything that is factory made. What happens is you might read the contents, but there are a lot of things that are not written on it that you don't know.
Right.
So it is better to consume. So I think as natural as you can go towards natural thing, towards the earth and roots and your soil, that is something that will benefit you mentally and physically. Both ways. Yes.
Very true that. And last question. So one food that you consume every day after your fitness regime?
So generally I follow Ayurveda.
Okay.
So Ayurveda में ऐसा कहा जाता है कि as the sun rises, you eat the heaviest meal.
Right.
When it is on the top, and then as it goes down, you reduce your meal.
Right.
So my lunch is full of, it's a colorful plate. It's got fruits, it got nuts, it's got proteins, it's got carbs, it's got everything.
Everything in a plate?
At a
so one
time.
at a time?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And then dinner is really, really light. Also to leave like a 6-hour gap between 3 meals. So like if you eat, for example, at 8 in the morning, you eat at 2 in the afternoon and then 8 at night, and try not to have anything in between those 6 hours.
Except water.
Yeah, except water. And then again 8 to 8, so like a 12-hour gap.
Okay.
That will give you amazing results.
फैंटास्टिक. सो 6 आवर का गैप खाने में पानी
Yes.
वानी पी सकते हो.
Yes.
एंड देन 12 आवर्स का
12
गैप
hours.
8 बजे खाया. next
Generally
day.
intermittent 16 hours कहा जाता है, but if that is something that you cannot pull off, तो I think 8 to 8 is manageable.
फॉर श्योर. वो जो बोल रही है वही वो एंडोर्स भी करिए. लुक एट हर फिटनेस एंड यू शुड सी हर क्लासेस. दैट्स अगेन मैं बारी बारी बोलूँ बट पता है. Okay, so Richa, we had a very insightful session and thank you so much
Thank you
for
so much.
coming over here, accepting our invite. We had a wonderful session.
Same here.
Thank you so
Same here.
much.
Thank you.